Hi, Ralph here once again, and what we've made here is a KDE plot art generator, kernel density estimation plot art generator, which a KDE plot is something you usually hear in statistics, and I know, when do you make statistics into art? Well, in this case, we did. What we're doing right here is we're taking all these CMAP color maps, which we're randomly choosing, put in a 4x4 grid. We're using integers as our kernel density estimations across the board, and just to see how it all turns out. Now, I didn't put a grid in there because really there's no need to have a grid because I put the shade lowest to true. Oh, here we go. And so you're not going to see any grid. And I'll post all the code, including the list, online for you to be able to copy and paste on your own on my YouTube channel, for those that can find my YouTube channel. And here we go. It takes a few seconds. It's a 4x4 plot, so we have 16 plots. Boom. There we are. Hope you all enjoy. I'll catch you all later on. See you then. Bye.